Hi guys, I'm Dash and welcome back to my channel, and this video is going to be about this makeup tutorial right here inspired by the beautiful sari. And this video is also going to be a one brand makeup tutorial where the brand is by Milani Cosmetics, where you can get it in the drugstore. So if you guys want to know how I achieved this look right here, don't forget to stay tuned, and before that, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, and also follow me on Instagram at DaintyDashBeauty. And yeah guys, don't forget to like and share this video, and let's get started. Starting off, I'm using the Milani Conceal and Perfect Foundation Stick, and I'm in the shade 245 Warm Beige, and I just apply it directly from the tube itself and all over my skin. So I tried it using with a sponge and also with a brush. I found the sponge actually takes away of the coverage, but the brush actually apply the foundation very easily. And actually I also double it up, the foundation, because I find it's like light to medium coverage at first, but once you layered it up, you can actually get a pretty full coverage, I would say. And next off, moving on with the concealer, which is also from the Conceal and Perfect range, and I'm actually in the shade 140 Pure Beige. I really love this concealer so far because not only is very liquidy, but it blends very well, and the color of this shade right here, it's really nice, and you can see the overall look is just very healthy, glowy, very natural kind of skin, which I absolutely love. And moving on, we are using the Milani Precision Brow Pencil, and oh my god, I'm actually so impressed with the brow pencil, because I feel that in the drugstore there's always I cannot find a one true brow pencil that is super thin, super precise, and really gives off enough pigmentation that glides on so nicely. So yeah guys, I really love the brown pencil too. And now moving on to the eyes, I'm using the Milani Cosmetics Gilded Ember eyeshadow palette, and first of all using a nudish color so that I can put it as a base for the eyeshadow, and then moving on to this peachy color right here as a crease color so that everything else can blend it super nicely. And next off, where the fun comes in, this is a beautiful burnt bright orangey red that can really bring out the color in this look right here. I really focus it at the outer corner, and this reddish satin color right here, I focus it at the inner crease color to really tie up the look together. And here, as you can see, I swatched two beautiful metallic color. One is the pinkier metallic color where I focus it at the outer corner, and another one is a beautiful rose golden-y kind of color, which is so stunning that I focus it at the inner corner of the lid, and I also put it at my lower lash line. And for my inner corners, I use this beautiful golden color that can really tie the overall look together. And now for the eyeliner, I actually use this palette right here, also for Milani Cosmetics, their soft and sultry palette. I really focus on the grayish and also black color, where I have a soft eyeliner but really gives a smoky feeling, and I absolutely love the look of it. And make sure with this kind of look, make sure you just use a little bit of brush and then blend it out. Now time for the mascara. I use this mascara right here from Milani Cosmetics, the waterproof one, and oh my god, I'm so obsessed with this mascara, you have no idea. And of course, adding lashes to tie up the entire look together. And moving on to one of my favorite steps, and using Milani Cosmetics, this is the Milani Cosmetics Baked Blusher. And to be honest, one of my favorite products from Milani Cosmetics is actually their blusher. It's just super pretty, it blends so well on the skin, and also it has a beautiful sheen. And also I use the highlighter in the eyeshadow palette, as you can see right here. Now moving on to the lips right here, this is one of my favorite lipsticks from Milani Cosmetics because the color is absolutely stunning. And just top it off with this Keep It Full lip plumper right here that can really give a minty tingling feeling, but it really gives tie the entire look together. So here I'm just adding my accessories, my chain right here, and that's it guys. I completed this look right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like if you enjoyed it, don't forget to share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.